Hello all, welcome to my new video. Let's see the trade breakdown and how to use the premium discount. See, I was bullish. Already I have said in the weekly outlook. See in the daily, mark the recent range. See, market is in the discount. It gap downs and opens at the discount. Okay, let's see. I usually trade after the 9:30 open. See, it was a. This is the chart we have seen before 8:30. First of all, I switch to 4-hour. See the 4-hour and mark the highs and lows of the previous 4-hour candle. Okay, then use the Fibonacci tool. Then mark the 50% of the candle. Okay, then I'll remove this. Let's see. It was a 6 a.m. open. See, it was a 2 a.m. open. Let's switch to 1 hour. See. It was a equilibrium of the H4 candle, and then see it was the 6 a.m. open. I was bullish, and this rejection from the high is a counter trend. Every candle has a range. See, these 4-hour candle range. This is the range high of the 2 a.m. H4 candle, and it is the low, range low. See, the next H4 candle, which is a 6 a.m., opens and reaches the equilibrium of the previous H4 candle. Then it all the way continues. See, it was the equilibrium. At the equilibrium, this 7 a.m. reaches, and it was a 8 a.m. candle. Let's see. I was bullish here. See, this is the recent range up to this high. This is my first target. Usually, I trade like this. See, this H4 candle has a range, as a equilibrium, and the next H4 candle also opens and reaches the equilibrium. I already said you in the previous video, if I am bullish means I try to buy below the open price. Like this, see, the 6 a.m. opens here, H4 candle opens here and reaches the equilibrium of the previous H4 candle. This is the thing you have to consider. And it reaches the previous candle's equilibrium and then continues to higher high. It doesn't happen every time, but whenever it happens means I will use that. I trade the continuation like this. See, in 1 hour, it was looking like this. See, buying below this short term. See, it was a short term, and it was a continuation trade. If you are trading the continuation means you have to buy below these type of short terms. Okay, let's switch to 1 minute. I will mark the 9 a.m. open, 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30. Okay, 10:30. Okay, I am bullish. See, it was a 8 a.m. candle low. This is the 8 a.m. candle low. It was a 8 a.m. open, and this low is the 8 a.m. open. It was a previous candle low. Okay, let's see. Wait for the 9:30 open. I don't enter before that. See, 9:28, 29, 30. See, there is a manipulation. It respects the FEG. Then comparing this range, see, this is the range low and this is the range high. See, market reaches the discount, then it continues to the buy side at this time, but I am expecting this candle, this previous 8 AM candle to get turtle soup at this time. I will show you in the US 500. US 500 is nothing but ES. In CFD it is called as ES. Let's see in the 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart. I will mark the previous 8 AM candle. Okay. Kindly have to focus these things. See, at this time, at 9:28, it sweeps the previous candle low in the ES, but in the NQ, it's not. Now it is a SMT. So it is one of the confirmation for me. At this exact time, ES sweeps the previous candle low, but in NQ, there is no sweep. That's the kind of SMT. But still now I am not in the trade. See, even though there is a manipulation happens, I need a CSD or a FEG. I mostly wait for the first FEG to form. See, there is a CSD, but there is no proper RR for me to target this high. See, there is an FEG. This is the first FEG forms after the equity open, which is a significant one. Most of the time, it holds whenever if you are trying to trade the order flow means you can get entries at these type of FEGC. These type of displacement will hold the price. What is displacement? See, there is a manipulation and there is a FEG. This is the true displacement. See, it reaches here, but still now I am not in the trade. See the next candle. It reaches the order block. See, this is the order block. At this time, I enter this trade and then see, even though I am entering here, there is no proper RR for me. I was in the premium. See the premium. So at this time, I was looking. See, there is no proper RR. Usually I trade 3R trades. At this time, see, these down close bar holding the price. At this time, I was watching the ES. Still ES is not reaching the ES is not reaching the high at this time. See, it only reaches 939. At this time, see the candle. I got 3R and I'm out of the trades at this area. This is the first trade. Okay, I will show you the screenshot after the trade. See, then price is at the day high and I am not interested to go higher high. See, but I am not going to hold the trade because it was in the all the way in the premium. See, still market reaches the highs and then we have to consider the range. See here, the recent manipulation in the 1 hour to the current manipulation here. See, there is a manipulation happens. It is a counter trend. See, there is an FEG still unmitigated. This FEG is still unmitigated. See, this FEG is mitigated twice. See, so this FEG is not going to hold the price. But after seeing this rejection, see above this candle, there is so much of rejection, especially the rejections happening after the equity open will be a significant one when comparing to the rejection happening at the London close or at the London. See, it is logical to trade these FEG, but it was a counter trend trade. I was bullish. See, let's see the 1 minute chart. See here, I will show the entry which was taken. See the entries here. See the first FEG entry around this place. At the 2040 macro. And see the continuation trade, which the entry has been taken at 958 before the candle closure. I can able to understand it was a counter trend trade, but I'm not expecting this type of continuation after reaching the FEG. Still now, already there are 2 trades, and it was a Monday NFP week. This first FEG holds the price. At the same time, there is another unmitigated FEG. See how it holds the price. See the closures here. I was in the short here, and see the continuation, and then exiting here. After exiting around the 1018, see the real move around 1021. This is how the range works. This is how the premium discount works. Usually I use the premium discount to find the range, and if I am trading in the counter trend means I will try to target the 50% of the area. See, in this range market, there is also in this range before the equity open, there is a FEG still unmitigated at the equilibrium. At the same time, there is a range for every candle. See, this is how the 6 AM candle works. Okay. If you have any doubt means you can leave the comment, or you can ask me in the Discord itself. And support me for future videos. I'll try to do such useful educational videos and trade breakdowns. Thanks for your support. We got around 150 plus subscribers within 2 weeks. I'm grateful to the people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And thank you all for the subscribers, and keep supporting. I'll try to do my entry model videos, exactly dedicated videos for the subscribers, which every traders have their one trade setup for their life. Like that I have one entry setups, which is an A plus setup for me. I will reveal it after reaching some decent subscribers, and I have to prepare some material for that video. But so far, many people have keep supporting me. Thank you all for those people who supporting me, and keep supporting me for future videos. Thank you all.